Okay, ready, go. Say it again. Say it again. Sige. So heavy? You cannot focus? Sige. Zaid is back. Sige. Oh, do not throw. It's not good. Sige, again. Say it. Zaid, oh my God. You're in a hurry? Why? It's too heavy? Heavy? Oh, you're very strong, baby. Mama will help Zaido. Oh my gosh. Oh, what you bought, Zaid?
Stuffs.
Stuffs? What stuffs?
Mama.
What? Which one, baby? Show it to Mama. What is that?
Chips.
Chips?
Let's eat it.
You want to eat or later? And this one?
Tissue.
Tissue. The other one in the bag, plastic bag.
Stuff.
What stuff? Lagi. Oh, sige na. Show to Mama. What is this?
Stuff.
No, this one. What is this? Malunggay leaves.
Boy curry.
Malunggay.
Iron.
Oh, iron. Iron for Zido.
Biscuit.
Biscuit? Oh. Whose biscuit is that? For Zido or for Mama?
For zero. Iron.
Iron for who?
Zido.
For whom?
Baba.
Huh?
For Baba.
For Baba? For Zido?
For Zido.
The blue is for Zido. Another one.
What for Baba? You got all the stuff.
You got all the stuff?
You're safe now.
You're safe now? You got all the stuff? You're safe now? What is this? What is this?
Onion.
Onion. Very good.
What's this one?
Leaves.
Leaf.
Leaves. This is kangkong.
Cocoon.
Yeah. Chinese spinach.
Chinese tea.
This one is
Chinese tea.
no, the different long beans.
Blooming.
Okay.
What's that?
What else?
Another
This one.
iron.
Oh, another iron. This one.
Avocado. Eggplant.
Eggplant. Very good. That one.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. You like pumpkin, right?
You like pumpkin?
Yes. When Mama is cooking, Mama will put pumpkin. This one. These ones.
Avocado.
Avocado. That's the avocado. Oh, this is no, smelly. Mama will do it. Oh, fish. Yes. Another fish. Ay, don't put it there. It will give smell only in the plastic. Fish, and what is this?
Chicken liver.
No, this is beef. Oh, this one. Look. What's that?
This chicken liver.
Oh, that's the chicken liver. Do not put it. Put them in. Put them again. Put them back. It's smelly. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Zaid.
Thank you, Zaid.
Thank you for buying the stuff, Zaid.
Thank you buying
The
the stuff.
grocery items, Zaid. Oh, finish na. Do not pull na.